I am Tracer Hickman. I am an A&P technician here at AAR. I was located in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. I served 4 years in 2nd Tank Battalion, 2nd Marine Division. One of my gunnery sergeants told me about skill bridges and how there's different opportunities for Marines that were transitioning out of the Marine Corps to get a job when they get out. So when I got back to Camp Lejeune, I looked into it, and there was an aviation program through Embry-Riddle, and I jumped on that as soon as I possibly could. Whenever I was a kid, I actually have always wanted to be an aviation mechanic. That training and schooling that I went through prepared me for this job. I walked in and started seeing things that I had learned a couple weeks prior. The future students that are considering this program, do it. The skill bridges are actually putting these soldiers into jobs shortly after they get out of the military. There was business partners lined up. They would fly from different states to come interview you. If you take the chance and you have a good attitude and a good work ethic, anything's possible. That program was the best program that any transitioning Marine that wanted to go into aviation could take. I found value in the Embry-Riddle Skill Bridge program.